Hello everyone, here we are going to continue with the topic logarithm, in which we are going to discuss the second exercise. Before going for that one, we'll just try to learn what is logarithm. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग ये जानते हैं logarithm है क्या. In this one, we can divide this term into two parts. The first one is log and the other one is arithmetic. Arithmetic is a term taken from the arithmetic. अर्थमेटिक जिसमें हम लोग एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन ये सारी चीज करते हैं. देन द लॉग मींस रूल्स. एक सर्टेन रूल्स की हेल्प से हम लोग एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन मल्टीप्लिकेशन या फिर डिविजन्स करते हैं हम लोग इस चैप्टर में. नाउ व्हाट आर द रूल्स. किन रूल्स को हम लोग यूज करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट वन वी आर हैविंग द प्रोडक्ट लॉ. According to this law, if you are having log mn base a means m and n are multiplied, then we can write this one as log m base a plus log n base a. तो according to product law, अगर log mn base a है तो हम उसको लिख सकते हैं log m base a plus log n base a. और ये वाइस वर्सा भी काम करेगा. अगर आपके पास ये एक्सप्रेशन है तो आप इसको भी लिख सकते हैं. Then the next one we have the quotient law. And here if we have log m upon a base a, तो हम लोग इसको लिख सकते हैं log m base a minus log n base a. Means अगर m upon n है मतलब ये दोनों डिवाइड हो रहा है तो हम लोग इसके बीच में माइनस का साइन लगाएंगे और लिखेंगे log m base a minus log n base a. Then the last one we have the power law. ना इसके अकॉर्डिंग अगर हमारे पास log m to the power n base है तो हम लोग इसको लिख सकते हैं n log m base a. मतलब ये जो n है जो पावर में n है वो हमारे पास यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन की फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. ये हो जाएगा n log m base a. Now we are going to discuss some base changing formulas. ऐसे फॉर्मूला जिसकी हेल्प से हम लोग log के बेसिस को चेंज कर सकते हैं. So very first one we have. Now here we have log m base b. तो अगर हमें इसका बेस कुछ भी चेंज करना है, सपोज हम अपने मन से a लगाना चाहते हैं बेस, तो हम इसे लिखेंगे log m base a. जो हमें चाहिए हम पहले वहां पे लगा देंगे. बस उसके बाद एक इनटू का साइन यूज करेंगे और यहाँ लिखेंगे log a बेस जो पहले यहाँ पे था b. यानी कि जो बेस हमें चाहिए वो हमने यहाँ पे यूज कर लिया. बट नेक्स्ट स्टेप में हमें यहाँ पर a को ऊपर करना है और जो पहले का बेस है उसको हम लोग ने यहाँ पर यूज कर लिया. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन वी हैव log a base b into log b base a equals to 1. इसकी हेल्प से भी हम लोग log का बेस चेंज कर सकते हैं. इसमें बेसिकली रेसिप्रोकल होता है जो कि आप इसमें यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं थर्ड वन में. हियर इट इज log a base b is equals to 1 upon log b base a. Now ये हम लोग कर कैसे पा रहे हैं इसको भी जानने के लिए आप इसे ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 4 log a base b equals to log a upon log b. आप इस तरह से लिखकर इसका बेस चेंज कर सकते हैं. And here we get log a upon log b. Now we are going to continue with the exercise 9.2. Here we have the question number 1 in which we have to simplify and we are having the expression log a cube minus log a square. Now as we are having a minus sign over here, so we are going to use the quotient law. In the quotient law we have log a cube upon a square. Now as they both are going to be divided, so the powers will be subtracted and this will be log a to the power 3 minus 2, and here we get log a as answer. In the second part we are having log a cube divided by log a square, and this is equals to log a cube upon log a square. And here we are going to use the power law, and on doing so this 3 will be written over here, so 3 log a upon this 2 will be placed over here, so 2 log a. Then log a will be cancelled by log a and we'll be having 3 upon 2 as answer. Now here we are having the third and the fourth part of this question, in which the third part is log 4 upon log 2. this log 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2 whole upon log 2. Then this 2, the power 2 will be written over here. So this will become 2 log 2 upon log 2. Here log 2 and log 2 are cancelled out. So we are left with 2 as answer. Then in this fourth question we are having log 8 into log 9 upon log 27. So this 8 can be written as log 2 to the power 3 into log 3 to the power 2 whole upon log 3 to the power 3. Now again the powers will be written in the form of multiple with the log. So this will be 3 log 2 into 2 log 3 whole upon 3 log 3. Now we can cancel out this log 3 by this log 3. This is cancelled out and this 3 will be cancelled with this one. Then we are having 2 and log 2. So 2 log 2. Now this 2 can again be written in the form of the power. So we get log 2 to the power 2 and this 2 to the power 2 can be written as log 4 as answer. Now let's do the fifth part of the question number 1. Here we are having log 27 upon log root 3. So this 27 can be written as log 3 to the power 3 whole upon this root 3 will be written as log 3 to the power 1 by 2. Now we are going to write this power over here. So we'll be having 3 log 3 upon 1 by 2 log 3. Log 3 and log 3 are cancelled out and this 2 will be multiplied by 3 as the denominator of the denominator is multiplied by numerator. So we have 3 into 2 that is equals to 6 as answer. Now in the sixth part we have log 9 minus log 3 upon 27. So first of all we are going to deal with this and here we have log 9 divided by 3 as per the quotient rule. Now this 27 can be written as log 3 to the power 3 and on solving these two we have got 3 over here and then we have log 3 in numerator and whole upon this power will be written over here. So 3 log 3. Then this log 3 and log 3 are cancelled out and here we have 1 upon 3 as answer. Now we have question number 2 in which we have to evaluate the given expression. And the first question we have log 10 divided by cube root of 10. So this can be done with log 10 divided by 10 to the power 1 by 3. Now as they both are having the same base, so the powers will be subtracted and we have log 10 to the power 1 minus 1 upon 3. Then this log 10 to the power 1 minus 1 upon 3 on solving this will be having 2 upon 3. This power will be written over here that is 2 upon 3 log 10. And as we know the log 10 equals to 1. So we are having 2 upon 3 into 1 that is equals to 2 upon 3 as answer. In the second part we are having 2 plus 1 upon 2 log 10 to the power minus 3. So first of all we are going to put this 1 upon 2 to the power of this one. So here we have this 2 can also be written as log 100 plus this 1 upon 2 will be sent over here. So this will be log 10 to the power minus 3 whole to the power 1 upon 2. Now this 100 can be written as log 10 to the power 2 plus this will be log 10 to the power minus 3 by 2. Now as we are having plus signs, so these two expressions will be multiplied. So here we have log 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 by 2. Now they have been multiplied, so the powers will be added, and on doing so we have log 10 to the power 2 plus minus minus 3 by 2. And on solving this we'll be having log 10 to the power 4 minus 3 that is 1 upon 2. And this 1 upon 2 will be placed at the multiplication of this one. So 1 upon 2 log 10, and as we know the log 10 is 1, so we have 1 upon 2 into 1, that is equals to 1 upon 2 as answer. Now here we are moving for the third part of the question number 2, in which we have 2 log 5 plus log 8 minus 1 upon 2 log 4. Now this can be written as log 5 to the power 2. This power is raised over here. Then plus log 8 minus this 1 upon 2 will be written in the power of 4. So log 4 to the power 1 upon 2. Now we are having log 5 to the power 2 log 8 minus log 4 to the power 1 by 2. This 4 can also be written as 2 to the power 2. This 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. Then we have log 5 to the power 2 plus log 2 to the power 3 minus log 2 to the power 2 into 1 upon 2. As the power to the power is being multiplied, now we are going to cancel these two. These powers will be cancelled out, and the rest here we can place a product law, and this will be treated in the quotient law as it is having a minus sign. So these two will be log 5 to the power 2 into log 2 to the power 3. Here these two are being multiplied as we are having plus sign, and then this expression will be written in the denominator as we are having minus sign over here. So here we get 2 over here. Then this will be log 5 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3 minus 1. 2 to the power 3 minus 1, as we are having the 2 in the numerator and denominator. So by using the exponential relations, we can solve these two. Then we have log 5 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. And they both are having the power of 2. So this will be log 5 into 2 whole to the power 2. That is, this power can be written over here. So we have 2 log 5 into 2, that is 10. And we know the log 10 is 1. So we have 2 into 1, that is equals to 2 as answer. Now we are moving for the fourth part of this question, and here we have 2 log 10 to the power 3 plus 3 log 10 to the power minus 2 minus 1 upon 3 log 10 to the power minus 3, then 1 upon 2 log 4. So first of all, we are going to place all the multiple form of these numbers in the form of parts. So here we have log 10 to the power 3 whole to the power 2, then plus this will also be kept over here. So log 10 to the power minus 2 whole to the power 3 minus log this 1 upon 3 will be written the power of power over here. So minus 3 whole to the power 1 upon 3 plus log 4 to the power 1 upon 2. Now the powers will be multiplied. So we have log 10 to the power 6 plus log 10 to the power minus 6 minus log 5 to the power minus 3 into 1 upon 3, then plus log 2 to the power 2. 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2, and this will be multiplied as the power and the power are being multiplied. 2 and 2 are cancelled out. Here 3 and 3 are cancelled out. Then we are going to multiply all the terms of the log which are being having a plus sign, and this will be divided as it is having a minus expression. So we have log 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power minus 6. This will be written over here in the numerator. So 2 whole upon 5. 5 to the power minus 1. Now as 10 to the power 6 and 10 to the power minus 6, this will be added. So this we have 10 to the power 6 plus minus 6 into 2. This 5 will be also written in the numerator. So we have got this. Then we have log 10 to the power 6 minus 10 to the power 6. This is equal to 10 to the power 0 into 2 into 5, that is 10. Then we have log 10 to the power 0 is 1 into 10. So we have log 10, and log 10 equals to 1. So we have the answer as 1. Now here we are having the fifth part of the question number 2, in which we have the expression 2 log 2 plus log 5 minus 1 upon 2 log 36 minus log 1 upon 30. Now this part will be written over here. So here we have log 2 to the power 2, then plus log 5 minus log 36 to the power 1 by 2 minus log 1 by 30. Now, this 36 can be written as 6 to the power 2. So, here we have log 2 to the power 2 plus log 5 minus log 36 is replaced by 6 to the power 2 into 1 by 2 minus log 1 by 30. Here 2 and 2 are cancelled out. Then all the plus sign will be written in the numerator and all the minus sign will be moved to the denominator in one expression of log. So log 2 to the power 2 into 5 whole upon, we are having minus sign, so we get 6 and 1 upon 30 will be written over here. Now this 1 upon 30 will be replaced to the numerator on doing as log 2 to the power 2 into 5 into 30 upon 6. 6 is cancelled to get 5 over here. Then we have log 2 to the power 2, that is 4 into 5 into 5, that is 25. And this is equals to log 100. And here we have log 100, and this can be written as 2 as answer. Now here we move for the sixth part of the question number 2, in which we have 2 log 5 plus log 3 plus 3 log 2 minus 1 upon 2 log 36 minus 2 log 10, and we have to evaluate it. So first of all, we are going to place this 2 in the power, so this will be log 5 to the power 2 plus log 3 plus this 3 will be written in the power of 2, so we have log 2 to the power 3 minus log 36 to the power 1 upon 2 minus log 10 to the power 2. Then we are going to solve the expressions which are able to be solved, like 36 to the power 1 upon 2 can be solved as written as 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 2. Then before doing so, we are going to just reduce the expression in the one of log so that we will be able to solve them. Very first of all, we are going to write all of the logarithmic expressions in the one term of log. So all the one which are having a plus sign will be written in numerator, and the one which are having a minus sign will be written in denominator. So we have log 5 to the power 2 into 3 into 2 to the power 3, means all the 3 are written over here. Then these 2 will be written in denominator as they both are having a minus sign. So 36 to the power 1 upon 2 into 10 to the power 2. Now we have got one log term and these are going to be solved out. So we have 5 to the power 2 into 3 into 2 to the power 3. Nothing can be solved in the numerator, but here we can write 6 to the power 2 whole to the power 1 upon 2. So these are going to multiply into this 10 can also be written as 2 into 5 to the power 2. Then on solving this 2, this have been cancelled out and we have got log 5 to the power 2 into 3 into 2 to the power 3 whole upon 6 can be written over here, and this 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2 can be written as 2 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 2. Then we can cancel this 3 by 2. Here 5 to the power 2 is going to cancel these two. Then 2 to the power 2 is going to cancel this power of 3. Then this 2 will be cancelling this one and we'll be having log 1. And we know the log 1 is 0. So we have got 0 as answer for this question. Now we are moving for the seventh part of this question number 2, and in this one we are having log 2 plus 16 log 16 upon 15 plus 12 log 25 upon 24 plus 7 log 81 upon 80. Now we can see all of them are having a positive sign. This means all of the expressions will be multiplied once they will be written in the form of powers. So first of all, we are going to copy this 2 and this 16 will be written in the form of power. So for 16 upon 15 whole to the power 16, then plus this will be log 25 upon 24 whole to the power 12 plus this can be written as log 81 upon 80 whole to the power 7. Now, as all of them are having a plus sign, so all of them will be written in the form of a product. So log 2 into 16 upon 15 to the power 16 plus into 25 upon 24 whole to the power 12 into 81 upon 80 whole to the power 7. Now we have to solve this exponential expression. So here we got log 2 into 16 can be written as 16 to the power 16 upon 15 to the power 16 into 25 to the power 12 whole upon 24 to the power 12 into 81 to the power 7 upon 80 to the power 7. Now here we got log 2 into 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 16 upon 15 can be written as 3 into 5 whole to the power 16 into 25 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 5 to the power 2 whole to the power 12 upon 24 can be written as 2 to the power 3 into 3, that is 8 into 3 24 and to the power 12 into 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4 whole to the power 7 upon 80 can be written as 2 to the power 4 into 5 and whole to the power 7. 2 to the power 4 means 16. 16 into 5 we got 80. Now the powers will be multiplied again. So we have log 2 into 2 to the power 6 into 4. 16 into 4, that is 64 upon 3 to the power 16 into 5 to the power 16 into 5 to the power 2 into 12, that is 5 to the power 24 upon 2 to the power 3 into 12, that is 36 into 3 to the power 12 into this 3 to the power 4 whole to the power 7. So this will be 3 to the power 28 upon, यहाँ पर भी हो जाएगा 2 to the power 4 into 7, that is 2 to the power 28, then 5 to the power 7. अब हम लोग सेम बेस के नंबर्स को सॉल्व भी कर सकते हैं, and on doing so we get log here 2, these two are in the numerator, so this will be 2 to the power 1 plus 64, and then we are having these two in the denominator, so this 2 will be subtracted, minus 36 and minus 28, then into we have 5 to the power 24, and here we have 5 to the power 16 and 5 to the power 7. So these two will be subtracted, minus 16 and minus 7. Then after this we have 3. So for the 3 we have 28 in the numerator. So we get 28 minus 16 and 12. 16 and minus 12. Now we are going to solve it. So we have log 2 to the power 1 plus 64 minus 36 and minus 28. And now solving this we get 1 into 5 to the power 24 minus 16 and minus 7. So 16 minus 7, minus 16 and minus 7 is 23. So we get 24 minus 23, that is equals to 1 again. Then into 3 to the power 28 minus 16 and minus 12. So 16 and 12 is equals to 28. So 28 minus 28 will be 0. So we have log 2 into 5 into any number to the power 0 is 1. So we get 1. Then log 2 into 5 we have 10. So, and we know the log 10 equals to 1. So we get 1 as answer. And here we are moving for the 8th part of the question number 2, which is also the last part of this question. Now, here first of all we are going to write 2 in the power of 5. So we have log 5 to the power 2 base 10 plus this will be copied as it is 8 base 10, then minus 1 upon 2 will be written in the form of power. So this will be log 4 to the power 1 upon 2 base 10. Now these two are having a plus sign and this one is having a minus. So we are going to use the product law over here, and for this we will be using quotient. So we have log 5 to the power 2 into 8 upon 4 to the power 1 upon 2. Now this 4 to the power 1 upon 2 can also be written as 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 1 upon 2. So we have log 5 to the power 2. This 8 can also be written as 2 to the power 3 whole upon 2 to the power 2 into 1 upon 2. This 2 and 2 are cancelled out. So we have log base 10 will be also be there. And if we didn't write base 10, then also it is understood to be base 10. Then we have got 10 again. So 5 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3 whole upon this will be 2 only. Then this 2 is going to cancel the power of it and we'll be having 2 over here. Now 5 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 2. So we have log base 10 5 into 2 whole to the power 2. This power will be written over here. So we get 2 log 10 base 10. And we know the log 10 base 10 is 1. So we get 2 into 1, that is equals to 2 as answer. That's all for this video. Thank you.